L&S Garage Door Services provides installation and repairs of garage doors. I've been installing doors and operators since 2002. We specialize in residential garage doors. So all of our services do not have service call. We come out for free. We'll analyze your door, figure out the problem, and give you options on how to fix it. If for any reason we're unable to fix your door and we need to get a new one, we can educate you on the different options out there for garage doors and openers. We base our business on one thing, which is morals. And by giving the highest morals to each customer each day, 3 good things happen. 1 is my customers are taken care of. 2, my business is taken care of. And number 3, my family and my coworkers are taken care of also. My company is licensed, bonded, and insured. We make sure every job is done right the first time. We service Orange, LA, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties. No job is too big or too small for us. We can do anything from a new remote to multi-family homes. If you need your garage door repaired or replaced, please call L&S Garage Door Services.